Hey y'all, somebody in the comments, one of my G's, wanted to know how this Fruity Pebbles protein powder tastes. I just bought it from Walmart. Look at that. I tell you one thing, it was very hard to open. But look at the little pieces in there. It looked like Fruity Pebbles, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that. It smelled like Fruity Pebbles, y'all. It smelled like cake batter. Let's get into it. You're supposed to have 1 scoop, I think. Add 1 scoop included to 5 to 6 ounces of water, milk, or favorite beverage. 25 grams of protein. Let's see how it tastes. So I don't have no ice. So I'm gonna use some frozen pineapples so it won't change color. Because I want it to stay white. So I can see the fruity pebbleness of it all. You need some water. Put a little bit of water. And 1 scoop of the... Let's see how it tastes. It looked like milk. Wow. It do taste like Fruity Pebbles. Wow. This is good. It tastes just like Fruity Pebbles. Ah, man, this is good. I don't know how it tastes without pineapples, but it tastes really good with pineapples. Like I said, it's worth getting, y'all. I love it. That was a great buy. If you had that craving for something sweet, this is it right here. It was good. You can still see the bits of like Fruity Pebbles in there, like cereal kind of. But it's sugar-free, y'all. Sugar-free. Sugar-free. 20 servings, this whole container. And it's 25 grams of protein in this. It's good. But it's good, y'all. It's worth it. Let's go. VSGLife.